Hello guys, good morning. So today my group will present to you about structure and function of nucleus. Now, what do you know about nucleus? What does it look like? Where is it found? What is the function? And how it operates? Do you know? Let's delve into it.
Now, the first question, what is nucleus?
Now, the answer would be a membrane enclosed organelle found in eukaryotic cells. Second question, where can we find nucleus? Maximum plant cells, human brain cells, called neuron, and even our lungs pneumonocyte have nucleus. But we can't see nucleus with our naked eyes, so here comes the invention of microscope. As the image illustrated here, the nucleus is the one in purple color, surrounded by rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is located inside the cell. Next, the function of nucleus. It contains genome cells database, which encoded in molecules of nucleic acid, also known as DNA. It also controls the function of the entire cells by regulating gene expression, whereby the nucleus will signal production of proteins through transcription and translation of mRNA. Here are some facts about nucleus. Facts number 1. Nucleus is a double membrane bounded organelle. This means that the nucleus is wrapped around by two layers of membranes. The membranes are distinguished as inner membrane and outer membrane. In between these two membranes is perinuclear space. The nuclear membrane separates nuclear contents from the surrounding cytoplasm. This enables some processes, such as gene replication, to be done in the nucleus, while translation of mRNA occurred outside the nucleus. Facts number 2. The nuclear membrane or envelope are perforated. This means there are pores among the membranes. This enables nucleus to control the passage of substances in and out of nucleus. For example, small molecules such as oxygen can pass through. But for big molecules and charged ions, such as proteins, glucose, and sodium ions, cannot pass through the. Fact number 3. Nucleus. Inside the nucleus itself, there is a nucleus subdomain that serves as the foundation for nuclear structure called nucleus. It is the main factory for production of ribosomal RNA, surrounded by chromatins. From the nucleus, RNA will be produced, and the RNA will be translated into ribosome. Ribosome then will translate mRNA and synthesize protein by connecting one amino acid to another. Fact number 4. Nucleus has chromatins. Chromatins are all over in the nucleus, but do you know what is it? Chromatin is a complex of macromolecules consisting of DNA, protein, and also a little bit of RNA. What are the functions? It is to efficiently package DNA into a small volume to fit into the nucleus of a cell, and also to protect the DNA structure and sequence. Chromatin are categorized into euchromatin and heterochromatin. Now, let us see what are the difference between these two. Euchromatin is a lightly packed form of chromatin that is enriched in genes and is often active. Active in what process? Active in gene transcription. For heterochromatin, it is a tightly packed form of chromatin and not active for most of the time. We know DNA are double-stranded polynucleotides consist of millions of base pairs. This will be too long if straight. So chromatin will pack and fold DNA molecules into a nucleosome. Many nucleosomes will join together and form chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber then will fold itself and become more compact structure called chromosome. Chromosome consists of a centromere, two sister chromatids, and 4 telomeres. Centromere function to link two sister chromatids together. Sister chromatids, on the other hand, is formed by the replication of a single chromosome, with both identical copies joined together by a common centromere. At each end of chromosome, there are regions of repetitive nucleotide sequence called telomere. They are identified as the capping function, that is to protect the end of the chromosome from deterioration, repair mechanism, and also fusion with neighboring chromosomes. In general, nucleus carry all the information that help the cells grow, survive, and reproduce. That's
Free created using Powtoon.